masasayang mga araw nakasama kita. Paglalambing at kulit mo na hindi nakakasawa, punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na. Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iwan? Di pa ba mayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buwan? Paano na lahat? Paano na ako? Tayo di ba't sinabi mo sa'kin na sabay tayong mangangarap? Bakit bigla kang lumisan nang hindi man lang nagpaalam? Isang malamig na hangin ang iyong makap sa akin, parang isang paywating nang mapapaalam ka na. comfort me. Oh, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I fell asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. No, if I could still one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door. I'd hear how my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do that usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Oh, my papa, to me he was so wonderful. Oh, my papa, to me he was so good. No one could be so gentle and so lovable. Oh, my papa, he always understood. Gone are the days when he would take me on his knee, and with a smile he changed my tears to laughter. Oh, my papa, so funny, so adorable, always the clown, so funny in his way. Deep in my heart, I miss him so. Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ako ang iyong bangka. Kung magalit man ng alon ng panahon, sabay tayong aahon.
amin kung wala ako sa iyong tabi.